emergence of Malaysia is now. We're talking about this with my members for a very long time now. It's about all about the gold or market cycles. Yeah, financial market cycles. Cycles happens in the market and it's recurring. Whether you like it or not, it's recurring. MS and R plus cycles. Yeah, could be monthly, it could be weekly, then it could be monthly or weekly thereabouts. Yeah. Let's see this. So we're going to talk about the fantastic one, which is the monthly cycles. Monthly cycles. Monthly cycles. Monthly cycles. So at the end of the month, towards the end of the month, there's likely going to be, there is usually a trend reversal. A trend reversal at month end stroke new month. Well, look as a new moon. Well, it's a new moon phase. New moon phase. Yeah. So this is so highly predictable with gold, especially gold. Yeah. So it happens in other currencies pairs, but gold is unique. It's fantastic with gold. Like for example, we have here now. This is an SNR, right? See, fresh, very fresh, very very fresh. Now we have this coming to on the 27th of June, 2023. It's approaching a daily SNR, right? A daily SNR. Then we have a tap into it. We have a tap into it, which will give us a good opportunity to buy into that. Coming to on the 28th of June. Coming to the 28th of June. So pull up your DC. Now the chart will be here at this level, below this place. You got to see there. Then your first target will be here. Then automatically draw it higher. So we have this. Then this is on the 28th of June. Let's say on the 30th, you see how more tap into it with more. So it's giving us more condition, more confidence. So you have a decent opportunity to layer more buy positions. Layer more buy position as you see a ton. Can you see that? Can you see that? Have a ton, probably a golfing or thereabout. So this gives you your good opportunity to buy into that. This doji comes up on the 29th of June. Then on the 30th, we have a ton. We have a ton, right? Started moving higher. On the 3rd of July. On the 3rd of July. So price started moving higher. Tap into it again. Can you see? So the turn of, so this place is called what we call the moon side, or the moon phase, or new moon phase, or new month cycle. Yeah, month cycle. They call this month cycle. See, so you have almost about just put your DC, close your DC, close this here. You see, close the DC. Yeah, close it, and as this is breaks through the lower high. No, sorry, the lower high. You just break through it, then you pull your DC down upward, then release more. Imagine the got small, that's okay. That's okay. I think you got almost about how many pips there? Many people, because that's because we have another Newton at the top there of a monthly cycle, another monthly cycle there at the top. That's 794 pips. 794 pips is okay. Just targeting end of the month, targeting end of the month, end of the month, end of the month. You can imagine what you have here again. What we have here again. Let me cut it off. Can you imagine what we have here? This is on the 20th of July. So let's cut this space off. You can imagine what we have here. Another opportunity, we have a congestion zone. Have here this place. It's a fresh level. It's a fresh level. A fresh level. Fresh level. Then we have this another one. More congestion there. You can imagine. Have this. Have this. Have this. So you see this, we are approaching here. This is on the 18th of July, 19th of July. So little by little, we are getting to the end, close to the end of the month, and price continues to tap into that. And in addition, because this is a very good congestion area, can you see it? Yeah, the congestion area. Congestion area. So we see price tap into it. They just put up your, before the last this, just put up your this, your stuff. Stop. Just be very careful because gold is volatile. If trigger, you enter, re-enter again. Yeah, you re-enter. Because it's the end of the month. So like there's possibility of, because this place is a congestion area too, possibility of there will be a big drop. A big drop there. So this is on the 21st, on the 24th. Price will likely go back and test. Come back. Tap into this, to these levels. So you see the big drop. Come to the 27th of July. The 7th of July, 28th. So they give you confidence, full confidence to trade this. Full confidence. I imagine the stuff there. So your target will be here, and wow, that's great. Good. That's 800 pips. 800 pips. And you see that this 800 pips, and you are coming to the end of another month. This is 17th, 24th of August. This is 4th of August. Price pull, they come to this level. We have a good, another good issue. The price was met to retrace back into it. On the 4th of August, we have good opportunity to resell, to move on, because this is a pullback, right? It's a pullback on the 4th of August. But because of this place, you see 1, 2, at the same place, we have this coming back, down, 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 down. It broke through it. So now that's the 31st of August. Actually going to see a pullback again because of this place, right? This place give us another opportunity, because this is what on the 1st of September. On the 1st of September, we pull out another big edison down to this place. The first target could be here. Another good opportunity to sell more. Price to come back to it on the what? 21st of September. We retest to that the same place. Then we got good deal. So if you see a ton, mark it. If you see a ton here on the 27th, so approaching towards the end of 28th of February, you can imagine the big distance, because we have our SNR here. It's SNR, and we have this. Let me not even go too far. See it here. See this one. SNR. SNR. The price tap into it twice. See it. Because there was a liquidity sweep here, it gives us an advantage. Please we go to price tap back into it. Liquidity sweep. We got good advantage. And see this liquidity sweep. Then price moves higher. It moved higher. This happened on the 4th of May. On the 4th of May. Can imagine that should be in the past. That should be in the past. We have this. Wow, price tap into it. Have this. And see this place on the words here. This on the 8th of March. You just have to wait. Once you see a tap, then watch the date. It's on the 8th of March. On the 8th of March. This is what on the 18th of April. So that's the middle. This is on the 16th of March. On the 29th of March. See this? On the 29th of March. Very good distance from here, congestion zone. Have a lot of congestion there. So that's how you can take advantage of this. On the May, have a turn, then turn downward. But this is huge. Tap into it on the 4th of May, right? As long as it is in the beginning of a new month or towards the end of it. Have this on the 10th of August. On the 10th of August. And this tap on the 5th of March. 31st of March. Have a turn. I see it. Have a turn there. the 24th of February, 25th of February, 3 days to the close of new month. We have a turn. 29th of January, have a turn. This is on the 27th, on the 30th of November 2020, have a turn. Have a turn. And because this is yeah, have a turn. So you must, when you see a rejection, you must go back and check where is it coming from. There must be an SNR. There must be a support level there. It's coming from. For support level congestion. So then on the 30th of November, we have a turn. Have a turn here. So just like that, can you see the? Can use that advantage to just, take advantage of a new moon phase, end of the month phase to trade US on now.